structural team consists of 4 painters, 6 carpenters, and 2 roofers. And we take care of the structure of each location, each building. And that consists of the large school plus any buildings that would be a part of that school location. We do some small roof repairs.
So we're trying to find out any issues that are up on this roof since they've had leaks.
I often say, we sort of the miscellaneous part. If it's not electrical or plumbing, it usually falls in my area. We work on bleachers, work on flagpoles, do any kind of structural stuff to athletic buildings. Anything that you can see, anything that sort of looks finished, the structural team works on that. This is roof materials, tools, and some painting. We work off of work orders. On the daily, we're probably managing 20 to 25 projects that are sort of in the works. Some take a few hours, some take a few days. We're never out of work, which is a good thing. It does keep the school safe. It keeps the kids safe, keeps the community safe. So we provide a service where the school is maintained so that kids can learn well, and the buildings are as they are designed to be. If it exists, we work on it. Structure usually has a hand in it.